Hello, my name is Janet Blanco Ortega. I live in San Calixto Norte de Santander. Assessment strategy for learning in the learning model. And the learning model is one that is done through the platform in the internet. Although this model became very famous in the world to globalization and the need to have to work, then this model is taken to be able to work and study. There are four fundamental principles of learning and assessment. 1. Reliability. 2. Validity. 3. Objectivity. And 4. Authenticity. 1. Reliability. To make the decision that corresponds to the learning achieved by the student, it is necessary to have confidence in the information that serves as a basis for then that is connected, that is veracity, is vision, though what is observed in the instruments. Employees find the full reflect the student's level of achievement. Second, validity. The evaluation carried on the classroom must be valid, that is, measure what is aimed to the instruments should most reflect what is cannot as the dominant, as the then alluding not to the degree of skill achieved, but to its adequate representation. Objectivity. Objectivity is an integral part of any evaluation and will be useless to judge. Any merit is the basis of the qualification. Alternative is favoritism, prejudice, corruption, or any element unrelated to the attribute and execution that evaluation. Authenticity. The evaluation of learning must be authentic. That is, the condition of the test must show that the intellectual process that are put into play in is correspond to those that the students will ask in the real situation of application of the current in questions. Questions. First, where is learning taking place? Second, how many are the fundamental principles of electron evaluation? 1, 2, 4. 3 questions. Open and distant national university students. UNAD is on learning. 3 false. 4. Among the main principles of electron evaluation is this reliability, tolerance.
fine question. The evaluation carried on the virtual classroom must be validated. That is to say,